In this video, we are going to cover how to write the equation of a line when you are given 2 points. I like to think of writing the equation of a line given 2 points in 2 steps. The first step is to find the slope between the 2 points. To find the slope between the 2 points, we're going to use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then we are going to pick either point and write the equation in point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So to begin, I'm first going to label my x and y coordinate of my first ordered pair, x1, y1, and my x and y coordinate of my second ordered pair, x2, y2. From here, we are going to find the slope. So to find the slope, the formula tells us that we want to use y sub 2 first. Then we're going to use y sub 1 and put that over x sub 2 and x sub 1. So my formula will be -4 minus -6 over 2 minus 4. Notice that I put the -6 in parentheses. I like to always put my second number in a slope formula in parentheses to remind me that I could potentially have subtracting a negative and it'll turn to a positive. So this will turn to a positive. My slope then is 2 over -2, which is -1. I can now choose either point to write my equation of the line. So I'm going to just choose this point, and I use my point slope formula with -6 in the place of y1 and with 4 in the place of x sub 1. So we'll start y. Because y1 here already has a subtraction symbol, in the point slope form video, we covered that if it looks like a -6, we're actually going to write a +6. And then our slope goes in front of the parentheses with an x. And if it looks like a +4 for x sub 1, we're actually going to make it a -4. Okay, I'm going to go to the next example. F of 0 equals -6 and f of 1 equals 3. These are just a more mathematically mature way to write your ordered pairs, 0, -6, and 1, 3. You're going to start by finding the slope. If I label x1, y1, and x sub 2, y sub 2, my slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 gives me plus a positive here, so 9 over 1. My slope is 9, and I can choose either point. Let's say I choose this point. My point slope form would be y, change the sign on the y value, 9 parentheses x, and then change the sign on the x value. You might have also noticed that this equation is in point slope form, but you might have noticed that we have 0, -6. That would be a y-intercept. So if you notice that, you can actually jump right to slope-intercept form with a slope of 9 and a y-intercept of 0, -6. And say that your equation is y equals 9x minus 6. Both of these answers would be completely acceptable. It's just a little bit easier to keep things in the point slope form, especially when you are given 2 points that are not y-intercepts. If you need help writing in slope-intercept form or in point slope form, please view one of the previous videos on those topics.